It began like any other day in the Flagstaff courthouse, but by the end of the hearing, the room was quiet because the judge turned to Kody Brown and said, "You betrayed everyone. No one saw it coming. Not Robin, not Christine, not even Kody himself." The man who once said he ruled his family with faith and unity was now standing before the court alone. That morning, Kody walked in with his usual swagger head, high dark suit, that same smirk he wears when he thinks he has already won, but the evidence waiting inside. It was devastating. Christine's lawyer stood up first and played a 47-second recording that changed everything. You could hear Kody's voice talking about moving funds before the wives could interfere. The courtroom gasped. Even the judge raised an eyebrow and asked, "Mr. Brown, are you admitting to transferring money without consent?" Kody froze. Robin looked down, and Christine, she didn't blink because she'd waited these many years for this moment. The judge pushed forward and declared, "You've spent years assuring the public that this was a family of trust, but this is proof of deceit." Kody attempted to speak, but the judge's gavel descended firmly. "Enough, you violated their trust, their money, and this court's patience." All the cameras in the room snapped. Christine's attorney slipped another folder onto the bench, emails, texts, and a timeline of all the transfers Kody had refused. It was no longer a family matter. It was a full-blown financial scandal, and when Kody finally answered, his voice broke. "I was just trying to protect what is mine." The judge looked at him for a long, heavy moment. "Mr. Brown," he said, "the instant you opted for lies over love, you lost everything worth defending." Silence. The same silence that slams when someone finally understands the battle is won. Christine turned away, her eyes wet with tears, not because she was upset, but because justice had finally spoken. The verdict, all shared property frozen, Robin's mansion under consideration, and Kody ordered to pay restitution to the wives he deceived. Outside, reporters mobbed the steps. Christine spoke only one sentence: "He betrayed us, but truth doesn't stay buried forever." And as for Kody, he exited out the back door, by himself, his empire crumbling judgment by judgment. If you thought this was it, you are mistaken. Because tomorrow, another court document is going to reveal who assisted Kody in concealing the cash. Tap subscribe now. You won't want to miss what the judge is doing next.